The dogs kids love to bark.
Bad aim, Blondie.
Spartan? John Spartan? Oh shit, they let anybody into this century.
Thanks a lot, you shit brain.
John Spartan, you are fine. John Spartan, you are John Spartan, you are John Spartan, you are fine. Isolated for repeated violations of the verbal morality statute.
So much for the seashells. See you in a few minutes.
Shit, I love that smell. Reminds me of biscuits and gravy.
Rick! Rick! Rick, now you Mickey Mouse piece of shit! Simon says, everybody, stand! And the home of the brave.
He's finally matched his meat. You really licked his ass.
That's met his match and kicked his ass.
Met?
Be well.
Be fucked. All right, Huxley, what do you say we just do it the old-fashioned way?
Ew, disgusting. You mean fluid transfer?
Fellow greetings, sir. What's your buckle?
I have in fact perused some newsreels from the Schwarzenegger library, and that time that you took that car.
Hold it. The Schwarzenegger Library?
Yes, the Schwarzenegger Presidential Library. Wasn't he an actor when you...
Stop. He was president?
Yes. Even though he was not born in this country, his popularity at the time caused the 61st Amendment, which states that...
I don't want to know. President.
What can I say? I'm a blast from the past.
Should have stayed there.